10,
from 2 p.m. this afternoon through late tonight. For today, east winds 5 to 10
5,
knots.
4, 3, 2,
2.
1. Let's start this thing.
Until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey: Ontario, Middlesex, Monmouth, Somerset. Remember, severe thunderstorm warning in Burlington, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, Ocean, and Somerset, and coastal waters from Manna, Swanton, Resolute, and New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large and damaging winds, speeds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 375 has been issued from 2:10 p.m. until 9 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, Ocean, and Somerset, and coastal waters from Manna, Swanton, Resolute, and New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. Severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ocean County, southeastern Mercer County, northeastern Burlington County, southwestern Monmouth County, southeastern Bucks County, and southeastern Pennsylvania until 3:45 p.m. At 2:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located in Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County, and southeastern Pennsylvania until 3:45 p.m. At 2:55 p.m.,
Now that's an attention seeker.
Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 49 and 59. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 49 and 59. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you saw a tornado go at once into the basement or small central room in a study structure. For your protection, move to an exterior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued from 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Worcester, Monmouth, and Ocean, and Pennsylvania.
Oh,
New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, Union County in northeastern New Jersey, southern Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, Queens County in southeastern New York, Richmond County in southeastern New York, Bronx County in southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York, Manhattan in southeastern New York, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Summit, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
what? Oh.
10 p.m. Elizabeth and Linda
Oh fuck, that's right about the.
For Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, Union County in northeastern New Jersey, Southern Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, Queens County in southeastern New York, Richmond County in southeastern New York, Bronx County in southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York, Manhattan in southeastern New York, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Summit, moving at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Clark and Union around 3:10 p.m. Elizabeth and Linden around 3:15 p.m. Newark and Port Richmond around 3:20 p.m. Bayonne around 3:25 p.m. Jersey City and Battery Park around 3:30 p.m. Bay Ridge and Lower East Side around 3:35 p.m. Flatbush and Crown Heights around 3:40 p.m. This includes the following event locations: Brooklyn Bridge Park and Sports Illustrated Stadium. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Jackson, Manila,
Up, I hear thunder.
4 inches of rain in total through tonight, but locally up to 3 inches cannot be ruled out.
Just look at her at the car.
Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, New York Harbor, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 nautical miles north of South Amboy, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm will be near Upper New York Harbor around 3:25 p.m. The Verrazano Narrows Bridge around 3:30 p.m. Jamaica Bay around 3:45 p.m. Barnum Island and Island Park around 4:05 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Wind gusts in excess of 50 knots, high waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with the storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Oh shit. That thing's right above me.
Northeastern Ocean County, southeastern Monmouth County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Adelphia, or 13 miles west of Asbury Park, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Long Branch, Asbury Park, Lakewood, Howell, Manalapan, Tinton Falls, Red Bank, Manasquan, Point Pleasant Beach, Farmingdale, Allenwood, East Freehold, Jackson's Mills, West Freehold, Adelphia, Vista Center, Elbaron, Ramtown, Collingwood Park, and Lincroft. This includes the following highways: Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 21 and 34. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 93 and 111. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest
YouTube, I don't care about your fucking ads.
Need to be able to decide if I do this. No,
tornado and quarter side hail. Source, radar warning. Flooding debris.
No. No. Tell your to me to get the fuck away from here. Oh, hi, WNG 704.
Southeastern Pennsylvania until 6 p.m. At 5:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over town or 20 miles north. Miles per hour impact. Source. Dublin, England. Tornadoes can severe thunderstorm also strong tornadoes go at 160 basement. In Pennsylvania, Dutch and Montgomery. Statement. Southwestern Middlesex County, southeastern Bucks County, and southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:45 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Woodside or near Trenton, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, Union, Pinetown, Morgantown, Cranberry, Pennington, Yardley, Newtown, Towntown, Allentown, Livermore, Roosevelt, Woodside, Edward Park, Cranberry, Westwood, Forest, thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Mercer, in southern New Jersey. Southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania. South central West County in south. Delaware County. 22 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over northwest of Philadelphia, moving east at 35 miles per hour.
I'm gonna try and catch it on here.
Northeast. Mile markers. Tornadoes can develop. In a sturdy structure. Room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with repeating a severe. In Mount Holly, New Jersey, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Camden County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, west central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:45 p.m. At 6 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Chester, 411 miles northeast of Wilmington, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard 2 miles per hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Intent damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations and tactics include Philadelphia, Camden, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Possession, Mount Laurel, Chester, Bedford, Northeast, West Bedford, Louisville, Belmore, Devon, Newbury, Berlin, Tulsa, Torquay, Paulsboro, Magnolia, and Westville. People at the Philadelphia Stadium should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 3 and 4. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 22. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 345 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 13 and 41. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 1. Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 4. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 6. Kansas City Expressway between mile markers 3 and
What the f***? You're not...
receiving a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Camden counties and southern New Jersey, south central alerts for Kearney and central New Jersey, northern Burlington County,
Pennsylvania, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7 p.m.
northeast
Thunderstorm was located over Holmesburg or Philadelphia, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Bensalem, Willingboro, Lumberton, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly, Riverside.
Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from the thunderstorm warning has been Burlington, Pennsylvania, Bucks, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. Southeastern Montgomery County and southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, at 3:30 p.m. At 26 p.m.
Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northern Ocean County, East Central Mercer County, Monmouth County, South Central Middlesex County, Central
New Jersey until 7:15 p.m. At 6:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Twin Rivers to Cream Ridge, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage. Interstate 190. An issue until 7:15 p.m. Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, Ocean. At 6:36 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the water. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 300. Roads.
Issued a flash flood warning for
Rain has fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard.
Spotters reported.
size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible.
No.
Egg Harbor, 80% Sicklerville, Morgan State Forest, Williamstown.
Go away, Diox. I mean, he don't want you.
This includes City Expressway between miles 37 and 41. For your protection, cloudy.
Any other... You know what, this is why I fucking hate this.
Damaging wind. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. To flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, nautical miles west of Belmar to 12 nautical miles northwest of Point Pleasant Beach to 11 nautical miles northwest of Silverton, moving you 630 knots. Average, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Intact, small craft could be damaged from briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations and tactics include Seagull Reef, Shark River Reef, Point Pleasant Beach, Axel Carlson Reef, Belmar, and Mena, Swan Inlet. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Mena, Swan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. Outer waters from Sandy Hook to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 8:30 p.m. At 7:30 p.m., strongest thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Silverton to near Pine Beach to 10 nautical miles west of Fort River, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Intact, small craft could be damaged from briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations and tactics include Ocean Gate, Seaside Park, Barn and Get White Reef, Silverton, Pine Beach, Fort River, Lavalette, and Barnard Get White. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Northern Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, South Central Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Ivy County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm is located over Hanson, 42 miles northeast of Ivy, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations and tactics include Hamilton, Egg Harbor City, Fort Republic, Bass River State Forest, Nebraska, Morgan State Forest, Elwood Magnolia, New Gretna, Wading River, Mystic Island, and Folsom. This includes the following highways: Garden State Parkway between mile markers 46 and 58. Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 22 and 27. Remain alert for possible tornadoes. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an exterior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. were located along the line extending from 12 nautical miles west of Slaughter Beach to 15 nautical miles west of Rehoboth Beach to 20 nautical miles northeast of Vinal, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, water spouts, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged and reach with high winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations and tactics include 5 fathoms buoy, Brewery 2 Westwood, Crown Shoreline, Dennis Island, Brewery 4 Westwood, Brewery 3 Westwood, Slaughter Beach.
What the hell?
Southeastern Essex County in northeastern New Jersey. Hudson County in northeastern
Oh, no.
New Jersey. Eastern Union County in northeastern
Yup.
New Jersey. Brooklyn in southeastern New York. Manhattan in southeastern New York. Queens County in southeastern New York. Staten Island in southeastern New York. Until 1 a.m. At 10:37 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Thunderstorms between 1 and 2 inches of rain southwest.
Why didn't you go off?
Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include North Jersey City, Elizabeth, Queens County, and southeastern New York, Stafford, Coney Island, Secaucus, the Verrazano Narrows Bridge, Midtown Manhattan, RFK Bridge.
Wind rate was 0.75 to 1.5 inches. 0.75 to 1.5.
Sports Illustrated Stadium. And the following counties in New York, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Queens, and Staten Island, Secaucus, Harrison, Todd Hill, Crown Heights, the Verrazano Narrows Bridge, Midtown Manhattan, RFK Bridge, Jackson Heights, Forest Hills, Canarsie, Bay Ridge, and Astoria. This includes the following event locations: Brooklyn Bridge Park, Sports Illustrated Stadium in Austin, King National Tennis Center. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Now it's not normally.
Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 1 a.m. Tuesday for the following counties. Tuesday, showers likely with a slight chance of Bethlehem, Forks, Wilson, Nazareth, Penn Argo, Winston. With a chance of thunderstorms between 1 to 8 inches, mid-mile markers 70 and 70.
What?
Weather Service warns it's harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to